Part 12. In asleep, a hyphen. All in also, a l hyphen. Be in because, be hyphen. In enjoy, en hyphen. In unbutton, un hyphen. In wrinkle, wr. Ould in could, ould. Air in hair, air. In push, ough in enough, ough. In country, ou. Air in carry, arr. Ire in fire, ire.